Right, in this video we're going to be using working with letters and using the rules of indices. So it's to simplify the following: x to the fourth times x to the minus 2, 4x to the power of 5 over 16x squared, x to the minus 4 times to the power raised to the power of minus 2, and then d 125 over 8x to the 6 to the power of 1/3. So this rule here, x to the 4 times x to the minus 2, same base, you add the indices together. So we'll write down x and add the indices together, taking into account the sign. So 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 makes that x squared. B, 4x to the 5 over 16x to the 5. Well, first of all, we notice that 4 and 16 can be cancelled down. So 4 goes into 4, 1, and into 16, 4. So we got 1/4. And here, using the rule of indices of a to the m over a to the n is equal a to the m minus n. So this will become x to the 5 minus 2, which we will now write as 1/4 x cubed. But you could also write it as x cubed over 4. Both these answers would be correct. Part C, we've got x to the minus 4 raised to the power of minus 2. So if we've got a to the m to the n, then we know that all we have to do with the powers is to multiply them. So all we have to do here is multiply minus 4 times minus 2. So we have x to the minus 4 times minus 2. Two negatives make a positive, so we get x to the 8. Right, for the last one, we've got 125 over 8x to the 6 to the power of 1/3. Well, a to the third means take the cube root of a. So if we now take the cube root of each term, so the cube root of 125 is 5, the cube root of 8 is 2, and the cube root of x to the 6, it becomes x to the 6 over 3, which gives me x squared. So we get a final answer of 5 over 2x squared. Okay, so this has been a video to show you how to use the rules of indices when we are using letters. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.